Coming in, yeah, flex. I just wanna win, yeah. LABB, who you running with?
Back, everybody. Feel good to be back. I've been off for a week, mainly due to, Mother's Day and everything. I had to make sure that I put my full attention and effort towards my lovely wife and the mother of my 4 beautiful kids. So I had to make that a special day for her. Fortunately, I didn't get a video out, but now we are back. Welcome back to Ironclad TV, where metal is gold and skills are built. Now, I know we've been doing a lot of talking about what we plan on doing, and I know that you, the viewer, loves action. So let's get into a little bit of action. I got something in, and it's really like the heart of the entire operations. Now, from the size and the shape, you can already tell exactly what it is. So without further ado, I will let you know what type of camshaft I actually got. So I kind of cheaped out on this one here. I was gonna go with the TSP, one of the TSPs or Brian Tooley Racing, but I figured, a camshaft is a camshaft. I know a lot of you are gonna, comment saying that I'm completely wrong. I shouldn't have cheaped out on such an important part of the engine, but it's my build and I do what I want. All right. So I actually got this camshaft off of eBay, and it's a Chinese version of the sloppy stage 2 camshaft. So it's gonna be a little bit choppy, plap, 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 for those of you that like that. Now, I wasn't gonna go with that just because I really didn't want it to be real lopey like that. It's not excessive, but that's not really something that I'm into, especially because it's going into a BMW. What I preferred is that I pull up next to one of you Mustangs or Audi guys, or even you Type Q guys out there. That's Type R if you didn't know. You know who I'm talking about. Pull up next to one of you guys, you not knowing exactly what I have under the hood, because I always find that even when I'm driving the minivan, people pull up next to me revving their little engines, and then they want to take off as if we're racing. Quite frankly, I didn't agree to that. Now, with this bad boy here in the BMW, I was hoping that people wouldn't actually know, and then they would try the same thing and I'd take off on them. With the whole twin choo-choo boys and everything. So I'm just kind of giving it a look over because I want to make sure everything is straight. I mean, it looks pretty smooth. Hopefully the metal that they use is not super cheap, extra brittle, what have you. Oh yeah. Yeah, that smells almost like Oprah with a little zest of Vin Diesel. Nah, I'm playing. But yeah, it looks pretty good. It does have like some freaking Chinese baby slobber all over it or something. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it up before we install it so that I make sure everything is good. Right now I'm just cleaning it off with a little bit of mineral spirit just to make sure I get all the grease and crap. Some of those burrs I can see on there. What? Yes. A little bit of mineral spirits with a lint-free rag that seems to be leaving some lint behind. Shit, can't trust Home Depot, man. Shit, next time I need to just go to AutoZone or O'Reilly's and get me some lint-free rags, because this is ridiculous. Should break out the air compressor and blow it off, but I say send it. So I got my water pump bolts like you see everybody else do. I'm gonna go ahead and lube this thing up with a little assembly lube. Now the reason I wanna do this is because, quite frankly, this engine is not gonna be done really anytime soon. Like I said, I have 4 little ones and they take priority over any project. And if you got kids, you know what I'm talking about. And if you don't got kids, well, you need to go get you some. Just kidding. All right. So we got that in. I mean, that was fairly easy. I do have brand new cam bearings by King. No, I think these might have been. I know my main bearing, my rod bearings are actually King bearings, but I think these might be Cleveite, I think. I don't know. They're pretty decent. I just wanted to make sure I get some brand new ones because, like I said, I picked this thing up from the junkyard originally, and I just couldn't gamble on not putting the cam bearings in. I know sloppy mechanics say, you know, don't look at them or else they'll be bad. Well, I looked at them and they were bad. All right, so I want to show you the difference between our 2 retaining plates. Hopefully this translates well on. It comes with everything that you need, the hardware and stuff. I think it ran me about $30. But the difference is, I don't know why it has a little mark on there, but really the difference is just that. So this one uses different hardware too, and it already comes with it, so that's a good little deal. But really, it's just the fact that this O-ring on here this O-ring on here is completely flat. Might be hard to see, but it's completely flat. If you look at your new one, that thing is protruding out the top like no other, and it looks beautiful. So all in all, make sure that if you're gonna do a cam swap, or if you're putting in or taking off this plate in general, just make sure you get a new one because that O-ring is very, very important. Make sure my surface is super clean, which it is. The nice thing about the new one compared to the old one is that these screws are pretty much tapered They have a tapered head. It has a flat head. So one, it's going to sit flush with the plate. But also, because it's tapered, it's going to center the plate with the hardware. So with all things perfect, this thing should be completely centered on the block, which I think is pretty cool. Just gonna get them snug. They're supposed to be torqued down to 18 foot-pounds. So I mean, it feels pretty smooth. And that's pretty much it. This is like one of the easiest tasks that we have on this thing. So now that we have our cam installed, I just need to rack up some more parts. Really, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate you taking time out of your day to come watch one of my videos. Please become a supporter. Comment, like, subscribe, hit the bell notification on the bottom so that you guys are getting notified whenever I upload a new video. There will be more videos coming soon. Have a great weekend. Peace.